Hey guys, welcome to another talk video because apparently that's what I seem to be doing nowadays. That's another first because until I recorded that video of Humsuffers where I was explaining, how I wrote the book and everything, I had never, I don't know if this is believable, but I've never recorded myself talking before that. And after that, there was no looking back, guys. It's just the video camera and me rambling. So yeah, and you guys seem to enjoy it. So thank you all so much. I love you guys. So yeah, so that is what this video is about. Things I did during the lockdown, things I learned during the lockdown, because apparently this is one really big change in all of our lives. And for me, 2020-21 was a huge roller coaster year, because until 2020, in the beginning of 2020, if somebody had come up and told me, you'd not be going to school, you would not be meeting your friends, you would have online classes, you'd sit at home the whole year, and you would write and publish 2 books, I would have honestly not believed them, because it still seems all so unreal to me. Even now, I was telling my mom and dad, this seems like such a dream, like somebody's gonna pinch us all, I'm not gonna wake up back in 2020 doing the things we used to do, but it is not. It is reality. The pandemic is real. So stay home, stay safe, wear a mask if you're going out for something, because the pandemic is real, guys. We've got to take care of ourselves and the people around us. And being in lockdown, actually, for me, had a lot of new things I could try because of that, because I finally had time. Because earlier I used to go to school, come back home, talk to the same set of friends, finish my homework, go back to school the next day. So I honestly had no time for, doing creative things or something. But because of the lockdown, I started doing a lot of that, and that is probably why I published my first 2 books. That was something I would definitely not have had time for with school and everything. But there was also a lot of other things I tried, like this one. I tried painting, because believe it or not, for the longest time I never thought I could draw or paint. I didn't think I had those kind of artistic skills ever. I used to buy a lot of drawing books, a lot of coloring. Coloring was something I could do. Drawing was not. So I, in the lockdown, purchased a lot of painting tools and everything. I bought watercolor paper, paints and everything, and that's when I first sat down and tried painting. And turns out, if you willingly try something, you can actually do it. So don't ever think you can't do something and then stop trying. Okay, keep trying. You can do everything. You can. So that was such a huge surprise for me that I could paint. I have to get back to that. Now I have time again in my hands, now that board exams are postponed. So that's also a very uncertain thing for all of us studying in 12th. We don't know what's happening. When are our boards scheduled? What do we do? When do we write our competitive exams? How do we get into college? So there's lot hanging in the balance for a lot of people. But we'll get through this, guys. This is an extreme situation, and we've all got to stick together, stay safe. And that's another thing that I want to talk about, is this pandemic kind of put a lot of things into perspective. Like, we used to take going out with friends, with people, ordering stuff, going to shops, everything so lightly, and now suddenly you got to sanitize everything, you got to be careful what you touch. Even just 2 days ago, I was watching some movie, and there was this person who got a delivery, a book, and she just opened that book and she smelled the smell of fresh new book, and I was like, no, sanitize it, don't smell it. And I was like, oh, this movie was taken before the pandemic when such things didn't exist, and we could freely just take something out from the delivery and start using it immediately. Now we have to sanitize everything, clean everything. So that is how much of an impact the pandemic has had on all of us. So that kind of makes you feel grateful that we all are safe right now, we all are at home, all of our family members are doing well, we have enough for 3 square meals a day, and we have all the basic facilities, and we have no problems whatsoever. So that kind of puts things into perspective, that you got to practice gratitude. You have to be grateful for the things you have, and know that the problems you have, though they are real, you can get through everything. If you can get through a pandemic, you can get through everything. That is the kind of mindset that you must have. That is something this lockdown has taught me, and that is something that I've also poured into the family lockdown. So as much as it is about a family feeling, and that nothing beats the company of your loved ones and your family. It also shows us the gratitude that you must feel about this whole situation, that you're doing well, you're happy, you're healthy, and that's what matters in 2020-21. So yeah, that is something that is a prominent theme in the family lockdown. So as we're all at home, and honestly things are bleak for a lot of us, being stuck at home, not being able to meet friends, not being able to go outside, it sure is a gloomy prospect for all of us. But let's all try to think of ways to make this lockdown, make this time as productive and as happy as we can. Spend time with all our loved ones, spend time with the people around us, and keep them happy, keep ourselves happy, and we'll get through this together, guys. And yeah, so if you find yourself feeling bored, if you find yourself feeling a lack of entertainment, my book is always available on Amazon.in, at Flipkart. It's just your story and mine in a humorous, witty narrative by Krishnan. So yeah, I guess y'all can try reading it. So yeah, read it, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.